You had a fight? Now what? Conflict happens. The difference isn't avoiding it, it's what happens after. Repair is a skill. Most people never learned it. What's your pattern after a fight? Silence? Pretending it didn't happen? Waiting for them to apologize? Each leaves residue. Residue accumulates into resentment. The 24-hour repair, within 1 day, initiate repair. Not resolution, repair. Try saying, I don't want to stay disconnected. I'm not sure how to fix it yet, but I want you to know I'm still here. What happens if you let conflicts fester? Distance calcifies. Or what becomes possible with consistent repair? Next conflict, initiate repair within 24 hours. Not resolution, just connection. See what's restricting your relationship through our free diagnostic. Link in bio.